And that's how it looks, which is good. Part the outside first, which is I'll sand it, and then I might. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another in-depth car spec. This is part 2 of the Fender Shrouds that we're going to be working on today. We're going to make these Fender Shrouds right here, little fender thingies, functional. So we're going to work on that. We're going to cut off the plastic on the inside, and as well we're going to be cutting the inside of the fender where the metal piece is at. And then the Perrin Fender Shrouds should be functional because right now they're just there for looks. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video for today. Let's get to it. So the first step that you guys want to do is you're going to turn your wheel and vice versa for each side, of course, and you're going to get your star screwdriver, right? And you might see that it looks like a normal clip. I already took off one of them so you guys could see it, but you see it might look like a normal clip right there. It has a line, right? Well, you might be turning it and it might turn the whole thing, or maybe it won't, but for me it did. So I had to hold the bottom clip and turn the upper part so you guys can see if I could do it for you guys. See how it turned, and it should pop up like this. It should pop up like that. Now you're gonna have to take off these 3 clips that are down here. There's a little restriction on this part right here. This is not gonna let you take it out, so what I would recommend is taking off the bottom one, which is the same method, same clips as well. There's actually 2 on the bottom, and one of them is the same one as the ones that we just took off, and then there's another one back here. It's gonna give you a little bit more leverage to pull it down, and it looks just like this, and it has a little rubber bushing. It comes off, but it's like that. For this fender that we're gonna cut, so this one has a little tab in the back on the top corner, so up here, and this tab, what you're gonna do is you're gonna yank it out so you could actually pull it. Once you pop that out, you should be able to at least yank it out a little bit towards you, and then the bottom part, it's gonna still be stuck, maybe not, maybe yes. But that as well, you're gonna be pulling out and up. What to do is yank it, so yank it outward and up. It's a rubber little seal that it has there. Now what we're gonna be cutting is, so you see how it has a little air duct or whatever? It's not functional, so we're gonna be cutting those squares right there. So we started to tape down the little area, and I marked it, the area that's a little shaded. That's what we're gonna be cutting. So we just finished cutting the middle one. You guys can see those holes that I did, they're pretty accurate. I would say I could make them a little bit bigger just so it could get more air in there. That's how it looks. Has a little reinforcement plastic here. I'm gonna cut that off as well, and that's how it looks. We got them all cut it out. You guys can see I sanded it a little bit just to make it look cleaner, but I don't know why I'm doing this because nobody's gonna see it through the holes. That's how it looks. You guys can see now through it, which is good. And this is how both sides came out. Now the next step you guys are gonna do is outline, or do a little outline of what you want to cut out. I basically drew this part, the outside first, which is the border. It has a curvature. That's probably the hardest surface there, that it does the most structural, I would say. And then this is what I'm going to be carving out, this little outline. And for what I'm going to be using to cut this out is going to be this Milwaukee multi-tool saw. I changed the tip for a metal one. It's going to work a little bit better. And let's get to it. This is probably the scariest part out of the whole thing. Got the first part out, and I gotta say it was a little scary, but it's pretty good. It's still hard. It's not flimsy, so it's good. Second part is done. What I'll do is now sand it, and then I might give it some paint. We already finished painting it, and it's getting dark on us, so you guys can see all around. But I'm gonna take off all the tape, and then we're gonna put all the plastics back, show you the final process. And that's how it looks. I did clean the car, so just letting you guys know. Oh, we got the holes in there. Got a little bit of the white because I didn't spray completely just the edge of the place that we cut it. Doesn't look bad, I would say. Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you guys want to keep on going with me, I am going to be doing a little bit of testing. If you guys want to check it out, you guys keep on looking. If not, then hopefully you guys enjoy that. Please leave a like and subscribe, guys. But yeah, anyways, I will be doing a testing to see if the fenders actually did something. So I will be testing that, and I will be giving a final look tomorrow in the morning. So catch you guys tomorrow. 84 degrees out, going 54, cruising, intake temps at 95 and 178 coolant temp. So today is 83 degrees out, and the intake temp are 95 right now, cruising at 41 miles per hour, and then coolant temps are 176, which is pretty good today. It's not bad. Keeps on going up and down on the intake temps, and it's good. I mean, we did drop a couple.
I've been told that I had that effect. She played hard to get, got attached. Never called her back. Okay.